Florida was really quite remarkable. I don't think we've ever done anything like this before, especially staging up before a hurricane. That was pretty incredible. Hanging out in a hotel the day of the hurricane in South Georgia, watching it whip and rain out there was, and then knowing that we're going to drive into the carnage the next day was probably the most impactful aspect prior to the hurricane.
We stayed in just about everything from sleeping in our trucks to tents to hotels. It doesn't sound very appealing, but it's interesting to sleep in a tent in a tent city with a tent full of 60 guys. You don't know any of them except the 2 or 3 beside you.
As far as how we work outside of our company, our company's good about training us to be safe, and we constantly take care of each other. If we're going to do something, we talk. It's a 3-way communication.
The orientation is explained as what was different with their system and our system, but I think mostly what keeps a man safe working with other linemen is the fact that you're all watching each other's back. You have no problem at all telling them if you think they're doing something wrong, and then you discuss it and you find out the best way to do it. But even though we all have diverse personalities, don't all get along, when it comes to this job, we all take care of each other. It doesn't matter who you are or who you're with. You come together and do it right.
As far as moments that stood out, I would have to say the people. Everyone is usually really grateful and thankful when you come down all that way to restore their power, but these people were unbelievably grateful.
There was this lady and her foster son came up and drove up in their minivan, popped open the hatch. She gets out, who wants cookies? So she starts handing out cookies, pop, water, whatever we wanted. Her foster son was helping out as well. Very well-mannered kid, was just going from person to person trying to get everybody more cookies, more water, more pop, whatever. So one of our guys got him a hard hat, got him a new vest, got him all dressed up. It was our little part of PR. It was what, we made us a future lineman by doing that. He really enjoyed it. His foster mom was there the whole time, so it was a great memory for them and us. So everybody was fantastic down there. Ultimately, when we go out of town, it's because they really need us, and that's why we do it.